Good day everyone. I welcome you all to this GIS module. I'm very happy to introduce you to this GIS module, which is on groundwater potential analysis in GIS, and it is a type of multi-criteria evaluation or analysis in GIS. This module is purely practical. It shows step by step how to evaluate groundwater potentiality of an area in GIS environment. The content of this module includes selection of study area. This is because study area affects the kind of analysis you run. Number 2, selection of factors or criteria. Then there is criteria evaluation. Then thematic map production, reclassification of criteria, factor weighing using analytic hierarchy process, groundwater potential map production using overlay analysis, normalization of groundwater potential map produced, reclassification of groundwater potential map to various groundwater potential zones. Then there is area coverage classification and conclusion. All the material used in this module are made available for you to practice with. The factor selections talks about all the factors that are relevant in groundwater potential analysis. The standard and references used were equally itemized in the module. In this module, a complete MSc thesis in remote sensing and GIS, which was carried out on groundwater potential analysis, is also provided for you to go through so that you can be guided on the whole subject of groundwater potential analysis in GIS. In addition, a published paper in a reputable international journal was also used in this module, and this paper clearly explained a particular technique used in this very module. This paper is also made available to you in the module so that you can go through and see the complete and step-by-step to follow to understand the technique used in this module. This module shows you how thematic map were produced for each of the factors. For example, slope, rainfall, land use land cover, geology, lineament density, drainage density. All these factors, the process of producing thematic map for each of them was itemized in the module. All the formulas used in this module were equally explained and demonstrated. The AHP for pairwise comparison of each of these factors was also provided in this module. So you have access to everything used in this module. The software, that is AHP software, the material use, the data use is included in this module. This module is very rich. It will enhance your skill in GIS analysis, especially the groundwater potential analysis. I promise that this very particular module is going to equip you and enhance and sharpen your GIS skill. To get the complete module, kindly check the description box. You will get the module, the material used, the video tutorial, the slide, and the documents used in this module. I hope you get value for getting this module. Thank you for watching.